Solution 1. First, open Steam. Open your library. Right-click Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord, and select Properties. On the left, click the Controller tab. Find Override for Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord and select Enable Steam Input from the dropdown. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same dropdown and select Disable Steam Input, then test again. Solution 2. Open Steam. Click Settings, go to Controller. Open External Gamepad Settings. Now enable only what you use. Xbox Controller. Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers, or disable it if enabling didn't work. PlayStation Controller. Look for PlayStation Controller support. First, try Not Enabled. If that fails, switch to Enabling games without support, Switch or generic controllers. Do the same, enable or disable depending on what works. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're using an Xbox controller. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Right-click it again and select Enable Device. Now launch the game and test your controller. Solution 4. Right-click your gamepad again in Device Manager. Select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your gamepad driver and press Next. Wait for the driver to install. Launch the game and test your controller. If this video helped you fix your controller issues, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.